Are you looking for a lake fountain that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best lake fountain you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Kasco VFX Series Aerating Pond Fountain 3 by 4 horsepower 120-volt efficient pond aeration systems. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The Kasco VFX Series Aerating Pond Fountain is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and efficiency for your pond or lake. This 3 by 4 horsepower fountain features a stunning V-shaped spray pattern, reaching 5 feet in height and 21 feet in width, creating a beautiful visual display while improving water circulation. Designed to aerate your water feature, the Kasco VFX fountain helps prevent water stagnation, ensuring a healthier and cleaner pond by removing surface debris and enhancing oxygen levels. It operates efficiently with minimal energy consumption, offering industry-leading clog resistance and requiring as little as 17.5 inches of water depth. The easy installation process includes mooring lines, a 100-foot submersible power cord, and a plug-and-play design. Simply connect to a 120-volt outlet and you're ready to go. Built with high-quality stainless steel and an environmentally safe, durable motor, this fountain is designed to last and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. For added ambience, optional LED lighting kits are available, offering a choice of color-changing RGB or warm white lights to complement the fountain's elegance. Kasco VFX Series is the ideal solution for enhancing your outdoor space with beauty and efficient aeration. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. BOFEKTE Pond Fountain Aerator, fully automatic for large and small outdoor ponds and lakes. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The BOFEKTE Pond Fountain Aerator is the perfect combination of functionality and beauty for your pond or lake. Designed for both large and small outdoor water features, this aerator delivers an impressive flow rate of 15,000 gallons per hour, creating stunning V-shaped fountains and linear jets that enhance both water circulation and the visual appeal of your space. With a durable 1 horsepower pump and low power consumption, this fountain is built to last, even in varying weather conditions, thanks to its high-quality polyvinyl chloride PVC float. Ideal for ponds and lakes of various sizes, the aerator comes with 2 interchangeable nozzles, one for creating a high-reaching V-shaped fountain and the other for a linear jet, making it perfect for daily aeration or irrigation needs. Its easy installation process and reliable performance make it a convenient and efficient solution for enhancing the health of your pond while adding a beautiful feature to your garden or farm. With a 100-foot waterproof power cord and guide ropes for easy placement, the BOFEKTE Pond Fountain Aerator is both a practical and aesthetic addition to your outdoor space. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Zenhagu Pond Fountain Aerator 750-watt, 1 horsepower floating aerating pump with stainless steel body. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The Zenhagu Pond Fountain Aerator is the ultimate solution for enhancing the water quality and aesthetics of your pond or lake. Powered by a robust 750-watt, 1 horsepower, stainless steel pump, this floating aerator delivers an impressive water flow of up to 15,000 gallons per hour, making it ideal for both small ponds and larger bodies of water. Its 2 interchangeable nozzles create stunning V-shaped and parabolic spray patterns, adding visual appeal while helping to reduce surface debris and maintain a clean, pristine pond. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, the aerator operates effectively in water as shallow as 18 inches and features a multifunctional controller with a digital timer for precise scheduling, maximizing energy savings. The easy-to-install plug-and-play design eliminates the need for complex plumbing or wiring, while the durable submersible power cord provides flexible placement. Built with high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials and a ceramic rotating shaft, this fountain is designed for long-lasting use. The filter-style intake screen ensures smooth water flow by preventing clogging. Whether you're looking to improve water circulation, enhance oxygen levels, or add elegance to your outdoor space, the Zenhagu Pond Fountain Aerator is the perfect addition to any water feature. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Gold Life Pond Fountain Aerator 1 Power 750 Watt, 110 Volt Power FUI Floating Pond Fountain Pump. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. The Gold Life Pond Fountain Aerator is the perfect solution for enhancing the beauty and health of your pond or water feature. This powerful 1 horsepower, 750 watt floating fountain is designed to aerate large bodies of water, improving water circulation and oxygen levels while also providing stunning visual effects. The fountain includes 2 nozzle heads offering 2 spray patterns, a V-shaped and a parabola-shaped pattern, creating an eye-catching display on your pond's surface. Not only does it add beauty, but it also helps purify water quality and prevent stagnation, promoting a healthier ecosystem for your aquatic life. With an easy-to-install plug-and-play design, this fountain is simple to set up, requiring no complicated electrical wiring. Just plug it into a 110-volt outlet. The floating system is stable, ensuring upright positioning, and operates in water as shallow as 18 inches. Built with energy efficiency in mind, the Gold Life Pond Fountain offers minimal power consumption, featuring a 12-gauge submersible electric power cord that extends up to 100 feet. Perfect for both small and large outdoor ponds, this durable, environmentally safe fountain is built to last and comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. HQUA FS01 110-volt large pond floating fountain with 13,000 gallons per hour fountain pump. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. The HQUA FS01 110-volt large pond floating fountain is a stunning addition to any pond or water feature, offering both beauty and function. This high-performance fountain delivers an elegant 3-layer spray pattern, reaching heights of 8 feet and spanning 33 feet wide. Designed to aerate up to a quarter-acre area with 40 inches of water depth, it helps reduce algae blooms, improves water clarity, and promotes a healthier aquatic environment for your pond's inhabitants. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the 1x2 power oil-free pump is reliable, maintenance-free, and built to last with a high flow rate of 13,000 gallons per hour. The symmetrical design and high buoyancy ensure the fountain stays afloat and stable, while the included 70-foot mooring kit and 100-foot electric cord make installation straightforward. The fountain operates quietly and efficiently, with a convenient outlet timer included for scheduling. Plus, the unit is covered by a 2-year warranty with an additional 5 years for the floating portion, providing peace of mind. Whether for aesthetic appeal or improving pond health, the HQUA FS01 floating fountain is a great investment, offering easy setup and long-term performance. Optional light kits are also available for added visual appeal. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.